welcome back. So in this video we are going to install Powerlevel10k theme. So last time where we stopped, we were on this prompt and we had nothing except this. So to install Powerlevel10k we need a couple of things. So first thing, we will need Oh My Zsh. So if you Google Oh My ZSH and go to first link, it will be this one, and you can install using either of those commands. I am choosing whatever it is default. I am just going to copy paste, and don't worry, I'll provide this link in the description. You can just right click here to paste. I'll paste the link in the description as well as command if you want. So just paste this and hit enter, and there you have Oh My ZSH installed. Next is to install Powerlevel10k. So again, go to Google Powerlevel10k and you will be on this GitHub. I'll provide this GitHub link, and here we go to, on this link we go to getting started, and here we have to install the recommended font. So we just click that, and we will be on that page, and then we can install this font called MesloLGS NF node font, regular, and we can just hit download and it will be downloaded. So I already downloaded that font. Once you download that font, you can right click and hit install, and it will be installed. Since I have already installed, it won't make a difference for me. So once you install the font, we have to make those fonts default. So you go to settings, and we want for this Ubuntu only. So we go to settings, we select Ubuntu here, we go to appearance, and here in the font we can choose, by default it will be this one, Cascadia Mono. Instead of that, we choose MesloLGS node font, we hit save, and those fonts will be the default font. So that was the first step. Next step on this is to install Powerlevel10k itself. We can have few options here, but since we installed Oh My ZSH, we'll choose that option. So we will be on this option. On this we have to clone this repo, and we can see here there is git repo that we have to clone. Now git is by default installed in WSL, but sometimes if you are doing in Ubuntu or any distribution of Ubuntu as bare metal, like you have Ubuntu Linux already installed, or Linux Mint, or whatever distro that is flavored or Ubuntu, and if somehow git is not installed, then you can install it using this command, and I'll provide this command in the description as well. So this is the step before you install that, before you clone that repo. So this is the command, and I'll do all this command step by step in the description, so you won't miss any. So this is the command to install git, and you give the password here, and since git is already installed, so you will see this prompt. And next is to clone that repo, and you can hit this button and paste that command. So just right click, so this repo will be cloned. So that's the step, and then second step here, to do this in ZSHRC. So remember when we hit 0 on the last video, on the last step, it created a profile called ZSHRC. So we can open that profile, and we can set this ZSH theme. So to open that, we have to check first where is it. So this is the command ls-lf, and you can see ZSHRC is there, and you can open it using Nano or Vim, whatever you prefer. So I usually like Vim. So I prefer Vim, but you can open it using anything. So by default it's Nano. So here I'm just showing using Nano how to do it. And what we had to do is set ZSH theme to this. So we copy paste this including quotes ideally. We copy and we had to set this ZSH theme, so we go to that line. So we go here, we delete this, and to paste here, if you can see here, you can use Ctrl U, I think. I think buffer is empty, it didn't copy. I'll hit just right click there, and I had codes already copied, so here is the thing, and now we have to save it. So to save, it's usually write out, write is for save, so it's showing Ctrl O, I think, for save, and file name to write is the same, so we don't do anything, we just hit enter, I think, and that is done. And we can hit Ctrl X here to exit. So this was for save, this was for exit. So this is exit, and we can check again Nano and see this is saved. So that's that. So usually I prefer Vim. So if you are Vim enthusiast, you can install Vim. Sudo apt install Vim. It's already installed. So next time I'll install Vim. I'll use Vim to do any changes. So that's for Oh My ZSH, and we installed Powerlevel10k. And next, so we had few steps here, right at the top. Restart ZSH. So we restart using this command, and this is the page you will see when you type that command, and I'll put that command as well, or you can just close this and open this again. So go to your Windows terminal, open Ubuntu, and you will see this. And since you install those fonts called nerd font MesloLGS, you will be able to see all these prompts. So here all the prompts customization steps are there. So those steps are up to you. So I'll do those steps in the next video because this video is getting long. So you can hit the close button. So I am just closing that video. On to the next steps. Thank you.